Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Alright guys, doing a quick review of this vanity set that I just put together, and it is jam-packed with a ton of features. First of all, you have the 6 drawers, large drawers that you have here on the sides, on the 2 pedestals. So you have 3 on this side, and you also have 3 on this side as well. And you also have this drawer that's right here in the middle. Okay, and on top of that, if we pull the seat out, it's also got some storage space here as well. Okay, and then when you want to go and turn the light on, it's just this little on button right here, and there's 3 different light settings. So here's the first one. All right, it's just white, and then this one is sort of like a peach orange. And then this one is maybe a mixture. And then this one turns it back off, right? So I'm gonna put it back on, back up, so you can see sort of the whole display. Bet you it will look even nicer at night. Come and press it again. See the entire display there. And the last one, which I think is a mixture of the 2 colors, that right there. Okay, so those are those features. And then on the side here, we have an adapter, a power adapter, right? So you have the 2 3-prong adapters, and we have 2 USBs, charging stations right here. And on the back, you can see some wiring, and that's for the light. And that wiring comes down, and you can either plug it directly right here into this power station, or directly into the wall, right? So this power station right here is coming from the back into this wall here, this outlet right here, which is allowing me to power the light using this station right here. So overall, guys, this looks like a really nice vanity set. It's quite heavy, quite durable. The assembly took about 3 hours. And so, you know, if you're not really accustomed to doing assemblies, you may need a second hand, particularly during this step when you're placing this mirror on top of the desktop right there. Other than that, guys, pretty nice quality set here. It's got some nice texture. You can see, get closer, you can kind of see the grain, right? So overall, I would definitely give this vanity set a thumbs up. Solid build. Go ahead and check it out.